Welcome to Daily New Drawings. Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily New Drawings channel. In today's video, I am going to draw Peppa Pig's family going to camping in camper van. Firstly, I am going to draw Peppa Pig's camper van. I am going to draw front tire of van, its front side, its windows and backside, and also some cute flowers on it. Now I am going to draw the second tire. I'm also going to add some clouds in this drawing. Firstly, I am going to draw Mummy Pig, her nose, eyes, mouth, and ear, and also her body with her 2 arms. I'm going to draw Peppa Pig on the driving seat. Peppa likes looking after her little brother George. Let's draw George. And going on adventures with him. Now I am using this black marker to make it more visible and lovely. Let's color it. First of all, I'm going to color Peppa. I'm using 2 color markers, pink for face and blue for shirt. Pink. Red for steering. Now I am going to color Mummy Pig with this pink and orange color. It's time to color George. Let's color with this pink and red color. It's time to color the van. I'm using different colors to make it colorful. Yellow color for flowers and headlights. I'm using Peppa Pig's favorite color red for the camping van. And black color for the tires. And some gray in the middle. Gray color for the clouds. Beautiful and amazing! Hooray! It's time to go. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel.